Hello and welcome to this jewelry making tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to create a pair of earrings using these porcelain beads or china beads. I will use a large china bead and a smaller china bead and some findings. In order to create earrings we will also need some tools. For the beginning I will show you what tools we need and then we shall talk also about the findings. I will use a jump ring opener for the jump rings. In order to cut the wire, like these head pins, I will need the cutting pliers. In order to create loops, I will need the round nose pliers, so they are rounded here and this is why they are called round nose pliers. And also the chain nose pliers that are flat here, they have no teeth, and they have no teeth because this way they cannot scratch the findings. We can also use a pair of pliers for the small parts. And now let's talk about the findings. We shall need two head pins on which we shall put the beads, some jump rings in order to connect the findings, some fishhook ear wires that will be used to hang the earrings on the earlobe, and some bead caps. So for this project I will use 3 bead caps for each earring, so 6 bead caps total, and of course our 4 porcelain beads. So this is what we need to make the earrings, and now let's start creating the first earring. So for the first earring I will need the head pins first. I will take one of the head pins and I will put the first bead cap on the head pin like this, and I will add the first bead this way. Then I will add the second bead cap like this, the second bead and the last bead cap this way. And now we have created the shape of the earring. In order to connect the earring to the wire, to the fishhook ear wire, we need to create a loop at this end. First of all we shall measure the length of the pin. In order to create a loop you need about 7 or 8 millimeters of pin. And now I will cut the end of the wire like this. And now, first of all, I will take the chain nose pliers and I will bend the wire to 90 degrees. This way. And now from here I will take the round nose pliers and I will create the loop. So I will roll the wire in place like this and create the loop. And as you can see, I have created this loop here. And now the next step is to attach the fish hook via the jump ring to our earring. In order to attach the jump ring, I will grab the jump ring like this with the chain nose pliers, and with the jump ring opener I will open the ring. I will put the jump ring here through this loop, and I will also put the fishhook ear wire on this jump ring. And now I can use the jump ring opener to close the jump ring like this. And our first earring is ready. So as you can see, this is our first earring. And now, in order to create the second earring, we shall follow the exact same steps. And these are our finished porcelain earrings. I hope you liked this video, and thank you for watching.